Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss 5 job recruitments from different companies which are currently hiring. So in this video we are going to completely discuss about the qualifications, details that are required in order to apply for the particular drive and all the job related details. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel as we regularly upload off-campus drive on our channel, and also we upload placement preparation related videos on our channel. So if you have not checked that, please check the playlist section of our channel. So let's start with the first job recruitment. So the first job recruitment is from Atos. So you can see let's see the eligibility criteria. So 2023 full-time graduates only from recognized universities. Courses and streams, that is the educational qualifications required, are BE or BTech in computer science or information technology, BSc or MSc in CS, IT, PCM or statistics, bachelor's in computer applications, that is BCA or BCS, MCA in computer applications, aggregate percentage minimum 60% in SSC, 10th, 12th, UG and PG. Backlog, no active backlog at the time of joining. Education break, minimum 1 year of break in education is allowed. Drive location is online or on campus. Prerequisites, good written and verbal English skills, flexible to work in any shift, morning, afternoon, night. Job locations are Pune or Mumbai or Chennai or Tirunelveli, or Atos reserves right of location. So basically they have clearly mentioned that in order to apply for it, only those people will get the further information who has fulfilled the eligibility criteria. So if you belong to any of these branches, then only please apply for it, otherwise you will not get any response from them. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Morgan Stanley. So Morgan Stanley is hiring for 2023 Technology Summer Analyst Program, that is for the location of Mumbai or Bangalore. So if you have done your bachelor's, you can apply for this job. So let's go ahead and read the details. So you can check the job description here. Let's read the qualifications. You are a bachelor's or master's student in your penultimate year of study. Computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, information technology or other related technical majors preferred. So if you are in your final years of education, you can apply for it. You have experience with at least one programming languages, example Java, C++ or C#, database knowledge. You have an operating system knowledge, that is Windows and Unix. You have excellent problem solving skills, experience in OOPS, good comprehension of data structures, algorithm and complexity theory, strong database and scripting skills. You have excellent problem solving skills, communication, teamwork and analytical skills. You are fluent in English. If you possess all these qualifications, you can apply for this drive. In order to apply for it, you have to just click on apply button and you have to fill your details, and if you get shortlisted, you will get further information on your email ID. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for the role of data associate, ADS Hyderabad. So you can get the job link in the description box, and you have to fill your details like personal details, name, email, mobile number, date of birth, your gender, your citizenship, and you have to fill the voluntarily self identification of disability, your address details you have to fill, your highest education profile, experience details, other details like do you have any current backlog, are you willing to work overtime as per business requirements, are you willing to work in rotational shifts, are you willing to relocate to the location mentioned in the respective job description, are you willing to be in a job that may require interacting with customers via telephone or email. So Amazon is again a very good company. If you feel that this role suits you, you can apply for it. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for ABAP developer, that is SAP ABAP. So for this position, the experience is not required. If you are fresher, then also you can apply for it. So I would suggest you, if you have completed your graduation, then please apply for it. The role is SAP Technical ABAP Department, Information Technology Support. Job title is executives or senior executive or assistant manager in SAP Technical ABAP. So you can go ahead and check the job summary. Job relationships is basically related to SAP. Let's see the educational qualifications. So education experience is BE, BTech, MCA, BSc in IT. Certification in SAP ABAP is must. So you may get this SAP ABAP certification very easily from Udemy or any other site. So you can have this certification, and also they have mentioned fresher or 1 or 2 years of experience as a SAP ABAP developer. Experience or knowledge of SAP workflows will be an advantage. So if you do not have any experience, also if you are fresher, then also you can apply for it, as they have mentioned freshers. Knowledge is required is SAP ABAP, JavaScript, Java database programming concepts, and candidate must have good customer service approach with a logical problem solving ability. Next recruitment is from ThoughtSpot. So ThoughtSpot is hiring for software engineer off campus CS, that is for MTech batch 2022 and 2023. So for this role you can check this CX engineer. What is CX engineer? This will be your responsibilities, that is writing the robust code and write functional performance and system test suites. Work as a member of team, helping the team respond quickly and effectively to business needs. So let's see the educational qualifications required. Strong coding skills in modern languages such as C++, Go, Java, Python or JavaScript. Having the ability to write clean, effective code is a must, and develop automation and tooling. Good understanding of distributed systems, scalability and availability. Strong problem solving skills, algorithmic thinking, and a strong foundation in how the system works. ME or MTech from batch of 2022-2023, that is from the branches CSE, ECE and EEE are only allowed. So if you have done your BTech or BE, you are not allowed for it. So that's all for today's video. We have discussed 5 job recruitments, and you will get all the links in the description box. If you have not checked the recent videos in which current hirings are going on from different companies, then please make sure to check those too and apply for them too. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it, and thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.